Hello, I'm Achim Kettler from Dental Wings and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Enjoy! If you want to delete a patient, maybe if you made a double DICOM import or whatever is the reason, we made it not too obvious. It's only possible on the starting window. So you have to go on Patient. You find the delete button here. We have an additional window where you see your patient. You can delete a patient and you can delete data sets. This is a difference. So this patient here has two data sets. So if I delete the data set, I keep the patient. But if you delete the patient, you delete all of his data sets. It's a different. So if you go here, delete a patient, you get one request. Do you want to do it really? But if you confirm here, you cannot undo this procedure. Be aware what you are doing.